Actually, the title was deliberately provoking. I mean, we need a paradigm shift, and we are in the midst of a paradigm shift in ethnography amidst this pandemic. Now, what I intend to say is that I must make it very clear at the very outset. And there is a role in explaining local explanations and experiences of epidemic events to provide a cultural critical space to interrogate the differing social impacts of outbreak response and the forms of social exclusion, blame, panic these interventions surface.
What is
This
this?
is zoonosis for you. I mean, the idea of zoonosis is a modern medical notion. That's infection of humans by diseases carried by animals. So, jumping the species from animal to man.
Our companions.
Those are the entities and agents to live with. That is the basic reality that the ethnographer is facing now.
They can't speak. So let's speak for them.
If we are speaking for them, how can we create ethnography? But it's a paramount need. It's a paramount need right now. If we can't speak of or about or for or from the non-human primates or non-humans, we can't create ethnography, can we? This new form of ethnography. So, ethnography is not about interviewing and observations anymore. It must have equal emphasis on touch, smell, taste, and vision. Everything will incorporate in the new ethnography. Otherwise, you are way outside of getting the ethnography. Yes. And what is it? This is the bodyguard of this Honeyeater, golden helmeted Honeyeater. Why it needs bodyguard? So, are we moving towards viral ethnography? Some terms actually suggest that there can be an ethnography which can be called viral ethnography. So, ethnography